Let me show you a MindStudio agent that I'm going to be adding to MindStudio templates. MindStudio templates, as a reminder, are new templates that are available in MindStudio directly in the platform. From this left side navigation, after you log into the platform, you will see it right here with templates and is right above community. Community are agents submitted by you, the MindStudio community, for others to use. Templates are agents and or components that are ready to use that you can use to learn and build from to build more complex agents. This particular one I'm going to be showing is called AB Evaluation Tester, and you will find it down here, AB Homepage Evaluator. What this does is something that I've built and demoed before, but this is a new iteration that has improvements to the user input block and the generate asset block. When I built these originally, you could not design custom user interfaces in MindStudio natively, and these really enhance the functionality in this agent. Let me show you how this works briefly. In this user input, you provide your second target that you want to test against from your website. This agent runs through the Chrome browser extension, so your website is already loaded in the web browser. And I'll show you that demo here in just a moment. And then you provide your competitor website as a URL, and then you provide what goal do you want to meet in this test. What are you testing against your targets and your target competitor's website against yours? Then what it does is that it scrapes both of them at the same time. Notice how this is set to run in parallel. The reason why they can run in parallel is because they do not depend on each other, but the time to complete this workflow run is a lot faster. That is the same way with this two as well. Evaluate A and B. This is where it is scraping the website, your website and your competitor website, and then using Gemini 2.5 Pro Vision to analyze graphically your website and competitor website to then determine the test case that was already generated in this block right here. And then it then analyzes both of those, formats them, and then displays them in a generate asset block that has a custom user interface that makes it look really slick and easy to use and read from. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to come over here and do a competitive analysis between two direct competitors, Newegg and Micro Center. And I want to determine a specific test case. And let me run this now. I just find it here, my Chrome browser extension, where you can see I have several agents already set up to run. And now here's this nice looking custom user interface. I'm going to come over here and copy this to my clipboard and put this as the competitor. And then I have a test goal over here that I will paste. And now I will start the evaluation. And I will pause this while it runs. So now we see the output that just came out. And here we see a very nice looking generate asset block with this evaluation. Here we see the testing goal that we entered earlier. And now we see candidate A, which is this website right here, and what their page looks like. And you can scan through this page to see its output. And then if you wanted to, you can share this entire report with anyone else out that you want to, so you like with your marketing team and the like, so that you can do a share notes about this evaluation. And here we see the side-by-side comparison. Here's the second candidate's website. And now we see an evaluation of each of them side by side. A brief overview of this landing page, as well as the target landing page, which would be our landing page. And here we see an analysis of both, where it decides that design A is superior, which in our case would be our website. And the reason why. And here it's in a very nice attractive table that's easy to read. And the core differences. So this is a great example of how you can use a generate asset block for use in an agent that uses the Chrome browser extension. It runs directly within the browser, and you can then share this output with others, which makes it very easy to compare with others in your team. So this is now in the templates here in MindStudio, where you can access this and start using it anytime you want to. So I hope that you found this video helpful and interesting. Thanks for watching.